Saini and I am a legal intern of the Accident Company, and I am a law student of IIB Law College, and today we are going to discuss about a new topic, which is the Transgender Persons Protection of Right Act of 2019. The Transgender Persons Protection of Rights Act of 2019 is an act of the Parliament of India enacted with the main purpose of safeguarding the rights of transgender people, their welfare, and other matters related to them. This act was introduced in the Lok Sabha on 19 July by the Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment by Mr. Thawar Chand Gehlot. The Transgender Persons Protection of Rights 2019 was enacted after analyzing all the drawbacks and the reason for the lapse of the Transgender Person Protection of Rights Bill of 2016. The bill was passed by the Lok Sabha on 15th August 2019 and by the Rajya Sabha on 26th November 2019. The President gave his assent on 5th December and then the Act was published in the Gazette of India. Since 10 January, this Act has been in effect. No person or establishment shall discriminate against a transgender person, including denial of services or unfair treatment in relation to education, employment or occupation, health care, access to or enjoyment of goods and services, facilities or opportunities which is made available to the general public, right to movement, right to decide, rent or otherwise occupy the property, opportunity to stand for or hold public or private office, access to government or private establishment in whose care or custody a transgender person is. A transgender person can apply for a certificate of identity by writing an application to the district magistrate for issuing a certificate of identity as a transgender person in any form and manner, accompanied by a required document as may be prescribed. In the case of minor child, the application may be made by a parent or a guardian of a such child. The government takes some measures to ensure the full inclusion and participation of transgender persons in society and also protect the rights and interests of the transgender person. It also facilitates their access to welfare schemes framed and also steps to rescue, protect, provide rehabilitation centers for the transgender person and also encourage, promote method of vocational training and self-employment and create schemes that promote their participation in cultural activities. A transgender person can undergo surgery to change a gender either as a male or a female. Such person has to make an application beside a certificate issued by medical superintendent or chief medical officer of the medical institution in which that person has undergone surgery. The application along the certificate is issued, presented to the district magistrate for a revised certificate. No child should be separate from their parents or close family on the ground of being a transgender. Expectation being an order of competent court which the interest of such child. In the case where any family, parent or member of his immediate family is unable to take care of a transgender person, that person is to be placed on the rehabilitation center on the orders given by the competent court. NCT stands for National Council for Transgender Persons. It was set up with the purpose to advise the central government on policies and legislation related to transgender persons. The following offences and penalties are recognized against transgender person: compelling transgender person to indulge in forced or bonded labor, or denial use of public places, removal from the household and village, in physical, sexual, and verbal, emotional, or economic abuse. Penalties for these offences vary between 6 months and 2 years, and with the fine also. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like this video. So do like, share, comment, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.